All right, we are looking at 3-1 Tuesday. No, Tuesdays and Wednesdays we'll look at. Okay. All right, let's see here. Let's look at the Carlos problem. Carlos has $654 in his bank account. He spends $250. How much money does he have left? $654 minus $250. Let's do the number line strategy. We're going to start at $250 and add our way up to $654. Remember, you can use addition to find the answer to a subtraction problem. Okay, I'm going to add 50 because that takes me to a nice friendly number like 300. Now I can add 300 because that takes me to 600. Now I can add 50. That takes me to 650. Now I can add 4, 6, 54. Now we just have to add up our jumps. 30 and 50 are 350 plus 54, 404. 404. Better way to do it would have been, you go 300, 50 and 50 is 100. So then you have 300, 100, and then you got the 4 left over. That was probably a better way of adding. 404, number line strategy, adding to find the answer to a subtraction problem. It's easier to add than it is to subtract, I think, for most of you. So that's why I show you that method. Okay, what about this problem here with the 72 markers? If you know your multiplication tables, as soon as you see 72 and 8, 9 should jump out at you, right? Because 9 times 8 is 72, and 72 divided by 8 is 9. But let's check. 72 markers in a bucket. Vince wants to split them between 8 containers. 6, 7, 8. How many is each going to be in each? So you're going to pass out the 72 markers to every one of these 8 containers. You're going to find out that there's going to be 9 in each container. 72, remember the division sign means shared among. 72 shared among 8 containers is 9. What is the area of the shaded region? For this, you could just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 square units. 11 square units. Okay, find the total area. I'm going to chop it right here. You can also chop it right there, but the goal is to turn it in from this awkward L into 2 simple shapes. Now the question is, we got 3 numbers here. Which one are we going to use? You don't want to use the 11 because that's this whole side. We just want this piece. So we're going to do 9 times 2. 8 times 2 is 16. Then we're going to add them up. 8, 6, 14, 34. Let's see, what's another one? Let's draw a quadrilateral with 4 equal sides. A quadrilateral just has to have 4 sides because it's a quad. Quad means 4, like the bikes that people take to the desert that have 4 wheels. Those are called quads. That's a good way to remind yourself. 4 equal sides. I mean, that's just could be a square. You could have a parallelogram. Those are 4 equal sides. It's also called a rhombus. Is there another one for? Oh, I guess, no, I think that's it. A square and a rhombus are going to be your only 2 options. Can you have a 4-sided trapezoid with 4 equal sides? No. Here's a trapezoid. The reason this won't work is because this line and this line are going to be longer than this line. So a trapezoid's not going to work. I think that's it. What is the name of this shape? Well, we did a couple. We did a square. This right there is a rhombus. That has 4 equal sides. Okay. Let's see. I think that is good for 3.1. A little help there with your Tuesday and Wednesday homework.